Hello guys, and today we'll be checking how to add auction feature within your OpenCart website and how the customers can bid on the auction products. And apart from that, we'll also be seeing how the customers can place the three types of auctions. That's the incremental, automatic, and the reserve auction. Apart from that, the admin can also set up the auction products as required by the admin himself. So before proceeding further and showing you the workflow at the storefront and the backend configuration for the OpenCart platform-based web store auction plugin, kindly do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So here at the storefront, you can see that we have this one of the products there. This is auction product. I've created it with the same name, and here we have a auction running on the same. So we just need to first log into our customer account, and only after that we'll be able to place the auction. So from here you can place the bid as automatic by checking this option, and you can enter the amount that is greater than the actual auction there. So if I tap here on the auction details, nothing appears. Alright, it appears, and here you can see the current bid is $40. So we'll have to enter a bid that is greater than the current bid, and you can see the minimum quantity and the maximum quantity of this particular product for which we are bidding right now, the start time and the stop time for the auction as well. So you can uncheck this automatic option, and manually you can bid the same here. So basically now what I'll be doing is I'll just show you the workflow of the same. But before login, you can see that a fixed amount is also deducted from your wallet on each of the bids that you're bidding, and that particular deducted amount would be then refunded after the auction ends. All right, so first of all, let's log into the customer account, and then I'll be showing you the rest of the flow. Now at the very top you can see the auction option is there. If I tap on that, that brings up the complete list of products having the auction available for them, as you can see right now. And this one is the product that we were just checking out. And here before I hover my mouse on any of the auction products, you can see the countdown time that is going on. And if I touch my or hover my mouse on any of the auction products, you can see the start time, stop time, the price, the minimum quantity and the maximum quantity for each of these products there. And that's how you can access the section wherein you'll be able to find all of the auction products. Kindly check the user guide for a better info of how to set up the layout for the same. So I've attached the user guide and the live demo in the description of this particular video itself. So I'll just log into my customer account first, and then we'll be placing one of the bids there. So let me log into my customer account, and now let's go to the auction section. So here you can see that initially before login we only had the auction. Now after login you can see that we have the auction wallet as well. We have the auction section where all of the auction products are displayed, and here we have the auction bids. So if I tap here on the auction bids, you can see the current auction bid collection for on which the different customers are bidding right now. So for example, let's go to the MacBook, okay, and as soon as we come to the auction for the MacBook, this is the product. Here's the auction details here, the leftover weeks, days, hours, minutes and seconds. So to check the auction detail, I can tap here. Here you can see the auction details in the time zone is the Greenwich Mean Time plus 5:30 for Calcutta, India. Total 2 bids have been placed for this MacBook. The current bid is for $130. The minimum quantity is 2 and the maximum is 4 that can be purchased after winning the auction. The start time and the stop time for this same. Now to apply a normal bid, what I'll do is I'll directly enter the current the amount that is more than the current bid. So I'll go for $140, and I'll just tap here on the bid now button. You can see that we'll have a success message that your bid has been submitted successfully. Now if I go to the bid list, I can see the other customers who have bidded. So here is one customer, Smith Jones, who has bidded 110, the timestamp for the same, and the bid time is the bids type is normal bid. And here's myself as John Doe for $140, the date and the time, and the bid type is there. You can also choose to have or you can place a bid as automatic. You can see one of the customers has already done an automatic bid. So if I open this one in another link here, we'll be able to see the auction bid list, and we can see the automatic bidder who's there. So you can see that the bid amount is 700 that has been set. You can also tap here to check the normal bids. So if I tap here, and now if I scroll down, these are the normal bids that have been applied to this particular MacBook product. So to place a bid as automatic, you'll need to check this option, and you'll have to enter the amount, and you'll have to then tap here on the bid now button, and that way you'll be able to apply the automatic bidding. So now if we go to the automatic bid, actually that was already applied by my own self, but right now again applied it, as you can see, along with the time and the bid amount there. So that's how very easily the customers can find the auction product under the auction section here. They can go ahead and tap on any of the auction products. They can view the auction details, the bid list. They can place a normal bid or can do an automatic one as well. A fixed amount of $5 is always deducted from your wallet and is basically refunded back after the auction ends for that particular product. And now let me go to the account options of the customer. So here you can see that we have the auction win product. If you won any auction, the product would be visible under this section. We have the auction wallet as well. So to the auction wallet, you can add the money as well. Here you can see that the $5 would have been deducted when we placed two bids. This is the one, and the second bid that I just placed a moment earlier at 1503, 1504. So $5 have been deducted for the same. Under the auction win, we haven't recently winned anyone, so it's showing no records there. And coming back, we have the auction wallet as well. So here you can add the money to the wallet as well as per your own requirement there as a customer. Now the amount that is that we are bidding for is deducted from the wallet itself. So to add the amount to the wallet, you'll enter the amount, then tap here on the add money to wallet. It would be added into the cart. You'll have to make a checkout. So whichever bid, whenever you're making a bid, that particular one needs the amount, and that is deducted from your wallet itself. So let's confirm this, and after the order gets placed, we can check our wallet, the auction wallet. And here's the credit history. $100 has been added. Right, I was showing the pending state, so we'll have to activate that. So that's how you can add the amount to your wallet, and then if you want, you can go to any of the auction products, and for example white coal in wool, and for example you want to check the current bid is 200, and if you check here right now in the wallet we have $4,910. So let's place a bid for $300 there. So a $5 would be deducted from the wallet, as you can see here. So it's 4,905 right now for the same. So if a customer wins the bid, then he can see the respective message as well, that you have basically congratulations, you can now buy this particular product with the auction winning price. So whatever the bid you would have placed, if that bid wins, then you can put the particular product into the cart for that amount for which you had bidded, and then you can make a checkout thereafter depending upon the minimum and the maximum quantity set. Now we are only deducting $5. The admin can also deduct an amount higher than that, and whenever you're bidding at that time, that particular amount gets deducted. So right now we are just using $5 there, and that is being deducted from the wallet of the customer there on placing the particular bids. So that was the workflow at the customer's end, and how they can place the bids and how they can access the auction wallet, add amount to the wallet, and how the amount gets deducted when you are bidding on any of the respective products. Apart from that, you can also see the auction bid section that has the complete list of current auctions being active, and we have the auction section wherein all of the auction products are visible to the respective customers under their own account panel, as you can see. So this is the auction collection. Now under the auction collection, you can check the current auction depending upon the different categories as well within your store. You can also check the recent winners that are there for the auction products. And after the customer has won a what we say as the auction for the product, he can make use of his wallet or the auction wallet to make the payment for the amount that has succeeded in winning the bid there, and using that he can then place the order very easy. So that was much about the customers end for today's video tutorial, and I'll be showing much more of this auction plugin in the next video, wherein I'll be showing you how to set up the OpenCart auction plugin from the admin backend panel, and we'll also be seeing the incremental auction, the reverse auction. Today we just saw the normal one and the automatic placement of the bids there, and the rest of the options itself. So that's much, and thanks for watching this particular video, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webkul.com, raise a ticket at webkul.uvidesk.com. And lastly, once again, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.